Now I'm going to teach you a simple process, okay, that can enhance your shading. The process is demarcating the shadows, okay, the light on the face. You are going to mark them on the face. Do you understand? Remember, when light reflects on object, it creates three tones: the light tone, the middle tone, and the dark tone. You are going to represent that on the face. So during the shading process, so that everything will be easier for us, we know where the dark tone is, where the light tone is, where the middle tone is. So when you are fixing it, it's very, very simple for you. And this is the exact process to do it. So watch how I'm going to do it. Okay, I'm just doing what? Demarcating it, marking the highlight on the face down, and it is very, very simple. So if you want to do realistic drawing, this is a simple process to use. So make sure you do the same thing on your reference when you are sketching. Do you understand? When you are sketching, after sketching, make sure you do the same thing. It is very, very simple, like exactly what I'm doing. So watch where the light is and try to draw that shape of line there. Do you understand? Watch where the light is, where the dark is, where the middle tone, where the light tone is. Just try to fix everything there. So during the shading process, everything, you already know where every shade is. Do you understand? And most importantly, when you are doing it, make sure you don't press your pencil too hard to the paper, because at the end of the day, you are going to blend it. Do you understand? If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips in art. Thank you. Now we have a drawing class online where we teach beginners how to draw from scratch and how to produce realistic drawing and become that great artist you ever wanted to be. Now this course is available on our website logoart.com. You can either purchase the course there directly or pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will enroll you in this course. Now this course is available for everyone, whether you are in the country or outside the country, everybody around the world. Or maybe you want the tools and materials used in this video and you don't know where to buy them. Now we have everything available. Now pick the number on the screen and message us on WhatsApp and we will deliver to wherever you are. You are always welcome.